Maverick R owners, listen, it ain't no secret. These things consume fuel in Sport Plus mode. Geez, E85 in Sport Plus mode, man, throw the miles per gallon out the window. But RPM's got another solution. I mean another, because you know, we already had the under the seat tanks. In the Max, we just released those under the seat tanks. Now we have a way that you can have just uber amounts of fuel, because we have a 19-gallon OEM drop-in tank. You install this tank, you lose nothing. You don't cut up your dash, you don't take off any panels, you don't remove the glove box. This fits in the factory location, all the factory accessories. If you've got a smart control module on your car and you've got the fuse box on the right knee of the driver, this thing clears it. It's built for it. Drops in the factory fuel pump, factory fuel pickup. It's got a tip over check valve with a 6061 billet retention plate. It's bulletproof. This is a 7mm thick gas tank, about double the thickness of the factory tank. You gain 6 gallons. Did I mention that? You take it from 13 to 19 gallons. Best bang for the buck fuel capacity increase right here for the Maverick R's. I mean, I'd like to say check it out, but like when you open the car, like you can't even tell it's there. That's what makes it so clean. Everything's there. All the factory panels. Drop straight in. I don't want to boast, but we're kind of the wizards of this rotomolding technology for these fuel tanks in the UTVs. We've got them for the Pro R, Speed UTV, Maverick R, X3, Pro XP, Turbo R, Pro R. We build fuel tanks for all of these cars. Let's check it out. Under the seat fuel tanks for the X3s, we got them. Under the seat fuel tanks for the Maverick R 2-seaters, we got them. I know these were kind of on the internet floating around before we released them, and everyone was hitting us up like, when? Like, we really didn't know when, because we were actively testing these tanks in Baja on race cars, pre-running, just doing everything we could to put them through the ringer. We wanted to make sure that what we're giving you guys was top-notch stuff, and that's what we did. So take your factory tank, get rid of it, drop in this extra 6-gallon capacity RPM tank. You can pick them up, rpmsidebyside.com, or any of our dealers worldwide.